Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the flower tutorial for the special sales kit, and I can see I make this. Okay, I didn't read. Like so. It's pretty. So yeah, you can see I added the beads in the flower center, and yeah, this is just see what you will like if without the flower. The beads is like so. Okay, so yeah, if you want, you can add the beads in the middle. If you're not, just plain. So optional, yeah, just follow your preference. If you prefer like so, it's plain. Okay, yeah, it's pretty as well. You want the beads like this. Okay, and today I will do the tutorial of different. Can see the flower will come out different. This is a bit flat, but if you want, you just can squish it before you glue on your. I will make it more shabby chic look. Okay, so all this is still flat. So now I just show you how I make this, and the technique is the same with the my previous video for the fabric, the shabby chic flower. So now I just show you the way how I make this. All this image I search from Pinterest, so you can get this image from Pinterest. Okay, so yeah, if for this one, if you want to look more shabby, so you have to squish. If not, then you just leave it flat. Okay, this one already. So I will layer this on top here, and I will use my hot glue, and this one just put on the top here. Oh, my camera can focus. Let me check my camera. Okay, yes, okay, so it came out like so. And this one, and also you can just fold like so. Okay, and just fold them together so you can get this. Okay, and put on top if you want. Yeah, for the kit, I have to mention, some of you will receive only 3 flowers, because I layer some of the flower. I layer 4 layer or 3 layers, so you get only 3, and some of you get I think 4, because I just layer 1 flower on top, so you get more. But anyway, you can try to make your own, so, and you get more flower. If you want to make more, you can, this follow this tutorial, and very easy. Okay, so you get this one. You want to make it more dimension, just squish. Okay, like so. Okay, and make another one, and this only two layers, so like so. And this one I will make okay, show you this one. First you cut out and you squish this, and put the hot glue. Yeah, just little, not too much. Okay, squish it and open. So you get this one here. Okay, so, and another one I will add this, and this one I will fold it. Together. So get this one here, up here, yeah, all the flower even is the same image, but every time I find out I will get a different pattern. Where's my flower? Okay, here you go. Okay, cause yeah, every time I just follow my heart and do something different. Okay, so you get this, and I will add this leaf at the top here, and the leaf also you can put a little bit glue here, and like so. Sorry, I think I out of frame. Yeah, like so. Just put here or here. Yeah. Okay, I think put this side. So turn back. Put a little bit glue. So you got your flower. Okay. So. Okay, this one I will make 3 layers for this one, so I will glue them together. Before that I make them wrinkle and put this on top. Okay, just put a little bit glue here, and the other side. So okay, so, and this one, okay, I will make it like so and put in the middle here and squish it. So you got this like so. Okay, and you got 3 flower here, and this one also just very simple. You squish it, and you don't want the leaf here, so you can cut, remove. I mean, yeah, cut the leaf away. So this one. Okay. So open. Get this one. Okay. So yeah, now we can add the, and you can sew on the stitch. I mean, stitch the bead. You use the needle, but I want to make it fast, so before I will just put a little bit glue and get my bead, just put in, and yeah, I prefer not to see the hole, so yeah, you will have to cover the hole underneath here. If not enough glue, then you can get more glue. So this is how I did, and yeah, this I think is one only put in the middle here. So if you want, and you can add the big bit here. You see, let me to try see whether if the big bits here see look pretty or what. If not, then I will remove it. I think better enough. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, this one just remove the glue away. Okay, so you get this one, and this one also, yeah, only put the center, the flower, and put the big one. You only can, yeah, you can just put one, so can. If you want, then you can add the little two more small here. Yeah, I think this is simple and pretty. And this one, let me see, I think I put this side or just leave it like so, or maybe, yeah, you can try. Let us try and see how it can come out. If it's not pretty, so you can remove it easily, because I just use the glue, so you can add, and the whole, I not like to see the whole, so I will turn it. Okay, so I think here also you can add a little, just this part here. I put the big one first and add little small bit here. One more. Oh, okay, one more here. Let's see, is it okay? Like so. Do you think it's okay? I think add one more to green. Put this side here. See whether. Yeah, I think this one have to. Okay, let me see. Yeah, do everything, just follow your heart and how you like. So make the flower like so. I think it's better, and I will add the green here, and this one I don't want to see the whole. Okay, yeah, this is too much glue here. Yeah, if you have time, you can use the needle and hand stitch, so you get more pretty. So I will add a little bit glue and cover the ugly part here. So ta-da! This is what I get. Okay. Okay. So oh, I still have one more. Okay. Oh, for the glue wrap, spider web. Okay, let me do remove for the. Oh, okay. This one try to put here with the green. one, the green one enough, and put the small bit here. Maybe too much. So okay. Okay, let's squish it. Okay, so okay, oh this, oh my goodness, oh the spider web. Okay, this is the, so you can put this on and put this. And with this is too much, you can, yeah, okay. Just put a small one. Okay, so that's so, because this one still have the heart shape ring, so you have to put here the bigger one. So yeah, you can, yeah, search all these image from Pinterest, so you can, yeah, create something pretty with all the beautiful image. Look at this. Okay, and yeah, I will not for the kit, I will not glue the bit for you. So yeah, just because I'm not sure you will like how the bit, yeah, where the bit put, and maybe you would like just plain, so I will include the bits in the kit, but you have to yeah, glue or hand stitch by your own if you like this. If you want to look more simple, so you need not to add the bits in the flower center. Okay, and yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by, and hope you like this tutorial. And if you like this, and please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comments and let me know what you all think. And bye bye.